So I noticed that I've added some weight, and this week I want to be intentional about losing, even though it's 5 kg, even though it's 5 pounds. At least I made an effort, and I will keep making an effort. Let me check the scale and see what I weighed the last week. So, weighing 68.2 kg. So this is me. So here's my lemon water. First thing I'm taking in the morning.
Say what you wanna say